Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I'm gonna take you through how to download and install Metasploitable 2 on VirtualBox. So basically, I'm gonna show you some tips and tricks how to do it, and it always works fine for me, and you're gonna like it. And what I can suggest you to do now is subscribe, like, and share so you don't wanna miss any of my video. I can suggest you to stay until the end and you're gonna be happy and smile, really smile. Metasploitable 2, wow, that's really something every penetration tester or cybersecurity professional looking for to play like a toy. So basically, the Metasploitable 2 is an operating system that has been designed with the aim of being easily compromised, and thanks to this be able to carry out hundreds of penetration tests to perfect security techniques and improve your offensive security, and also prevent attack in short, medium, or long time. Metasploitable 2 is actually a test environment, provide a secure place to actually perform a penetration testing and security research. For your test environment, you need Metasploit instance that can access a vulnerable target. The easy way to get a target machine is to use Metasploitable 2, which is an intentionally vulnerable Ubuntu Linux virtual machine that is designed for testing common vulnerability. This virtual machine is compatible with VMware, VirtualBox, and other common virtualization platforms. Metasploitable 2 does not have a graphical environment and is recommended to be used in private network exclusively due to its tolerance to attacks. Some of its characteristics are SQL injection, remote execution, zero-day exploit, password attack, cross-site scripting, rootkit, man-in-the-middle attacks. So that being said, we're gonna go to requirement. What you need in order to install Metasploitable 2. First of all, you need to have a VMware or VirtualBox installed on your machine. So basically, you need to get the latest version. You need to have your Metasploitable to download from Rapid7 or any secure download website. So you need to be careful because it may cause a lot of problem. And you need to have a memory of 4 gig and the hard drive size of 30 to 40 gig. So that we say we're gonna go from the website, the secure website, to download our Metasploitable 2. So all the information is gonna be in the link below, and let's get started. Alright, let's go to Google and try to find out Metasploit to download. So this is gonna take us straight away to this link here, and what you need to do now is click on download. It's gonna download from the location you want this to be downloaded. So make sure that you turn off your firewall or antivirus because it's gonna get crazy once you download it. So basically, we're gonna download it and use it for our VirtualBox. Once you're happy with the download, you're gonna check out if everything's perfect. So check on the download. You're gonna find out Metasploit is there. So what you need to do is just unzip it, and there we go, the file is there. Right, so what you need to do now is really simple. We're gonna fire up our virtual machine, which is VirtualBox with the latest updates. So we're gonna click in preferences and click in extension. So we got all the extensions. I mean, the machine is really ready for a new stuff. So what you need to do now, we need to create a new image where we download and extract it. We're gonna create our virtual machine, Metasploitable 2 Linux, and we leave it as Oracle. Yeah, it's gonna be 64-bit. You got a choice. You can even put Debian 64-bit, but this example we're gonna leave it like this. And the memory, let's say we put around 4 meg. So when you put the 4, and here put use an existing virtual hard drive. So what you need to do is click here, add, go exactly where you put your machine, click on download, double click here, double click again, there you go. You go there, VMDK. So click open and choose create. Done. So what you need to do now is you can change your hardware, or you can change all the spec you want. So in this time we're gonna go here in settings, advanced, we're gonna click here, bidirectional, here again, bidirectional. Description, you can put anything you want, like training. This inscription, leave it like this. System, so motherboard is fine, so you can increase the memory if you want, but I'll leave it like this. Processor, I always wanted to make it 2, so it's always good for me. Accelerator, don't touch anything there. Here you don't need to do anything, just leave it like this. Display is fine, but you can increase a bit until the end. I always put 128 meg. So remote, leave it. Recording, no. Storage, we're already done. Network, that's really important. So in this example, we're gonna click it as internal network, and advanced promiscuous mode, which I'm gonna explain you later on why. So once it's ready, what you need to do is make sure you're ready to start. So to start it is really simple. Just click on the green one, the start button. Then look at this. Look at how our Metasploitable 2 gonna fire up and ready to try your training, and your lab is ready basically. See how fast is it? Simple. To access to it is simple. You just put MSF admin. That's a login. Enter. The password is exactly the same as well. MSF admin. How about that? You clear. Read everything. Read information. It's gonna give you a lot of information. The program, including with the Ubuntu system, are free software. So the extract distribution term for each program are described in the individual file. This is the file where everything is described. So Ubuntu comes with absolutely no warranty to the extent permit by applicable law. To access official, just go through it, check out the information as much as you can, and then everything is ready. To check if everything is fine, we can just type simple command like ifconfig. There we go. So we go our IP address and everything. So everything's fine for us. So now we can try to ping from our Kali Linux. So what we can do now is, there we go. So see, the ping is working fine because I do some tips and tricks as I promised and everything's happy now. So that being said, that was my video today, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're really happy, please leave the comment or any question down below, and meanwhile I'll see you to the next video to come. So thank you very much, but video is purely for educational purpose, so I don't really suggest you to play around it in a public PC or server. So you need to be careful, because this can cause a lot of trouble. So thank you very much again for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy it, and see you to the next video to come. Cheerio, bye bye.